In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make changes to a global module in only one template. In Hubspot, global modules are designed to stay consistent across multiple templates. That is great when you want one update to apply everywhere, but sometimes you need a one-off version in a single template, without changing every other page that uses that same global module. The key is to convert that global module into a local module inside the one template you want to customize. Start by opening the template that contains the global module you want to adjust. Make sure you are in the design tools and that you have the correct template selected, because any edits you make here will affect how pages built with this template display. Next, in the layout editor, click directly on the global module in the canvas. When you select it, you should see its settings and options appear in the inspector on the right sidebar. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct module selected, especially if your template has multiple similar sections. Now go to the inspector on the right side and look for the More drop-down. Click More and then choose Make Module Local. This is the most important action in the process. Making the module local breaks the connection to the global version, but only within this template. From this point forward, changes you make to this module will apply only here, and the original global module will stay unchanged anywhere else it is used. Once the module is local, go ahead and modify the module settings or content as needed. You can adjust text, images, styling options, or any settings the module provides. Work carefully and review the preview as you go, because you are now tailoring a unique version for this template. When you are finished with your edits, click Publish Changes. Publishing is what makes your updates live for pages using this template. If you navigate away without publishing, your updates may not be applied. And that covers everything you need to know.